Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by deciding what success looks like. Summarize, answer 3 questions, or apply one idea. Once chosen, set a 25-50-minute focus block and remove 3 main distractions. This creates depth over skimming. Use a quick pre-scan of headings and first sentences to orient yourself, because knowing structure speeds comprehension. Make sure to have a pen or note app ready, and start reading deliberately from the first section, with intent rather than casual skimming. You now move into active engagement. Read a section, then annotate one key idea and write a 1-sentence margin note explaining why it matters. Once done, ask the 3 questions. What is this saying? Why does it matter? And how could you use it? Then pause for a 1-minute recall and summarize aloud. This reinforces memory because retrieval beats passive review. Make sure to connect new ideas to something you already know so the material integrates into your mental map. You finish by condensing the whole piece into 3 lines and 1 concrete application. This forces synthesis and shows transfer. Once done, schedule brief spaced reviews at 1 day and 1 week to lock ideas into long-term memory. If things go wrong and comprehension stalls, reread the introduction and headings, draw a simple concept map, and write a specific question to resolve. Then seek the answer in the text or from someone else. This troubleshooting step repairs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.